Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make barbecue chicken tikka. Yes, barbecue. You heard it right. We are going to do in Hamari style at home. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. So let's start now. For this we have taken small barbecue from local market. Now we are going to put charcoal inside it. And we are going to make our charcoal red hot. So until our barbecue gets ready, we will marinate our chicken. For the marination, we need coriander, mint leaves, and green chilies. Now put all these ingredients in a mixer one by one. Now add salt as per taste. And 2 to 3 teaspoon curd. And make a smooth paste like this. Now marinate our chicken pieces nicely with this paste. Wow, color is so awesome. Mix them nicely. Keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will prepare our barbecue stick. For that, first add onion as shown here. Then marinated chicken piece. Then again onion. And chicken piece. Like this, prepare all barbecue sticks. Keep it above the barbecue as shown. I think we should put charcoal above the grill plate so that it will cook fast. So let's do it. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Now let it cook from all the sides. And you should have lots of patience for it. Apply oil or butter in between. Keep turning frequently. Wow, you can see the chicken color. It's nicely cooked. It will take 30 to 35 minutes to get our chicken pieces thoroughly cooked. So here is our barbecue chicken tikka. It's ready. I can't wait. Let's take it out in a plate. Wow, it looks awesome. Now have this chicken tikka with a green chutney. For green chutney, take coriander, mint leaves, green chilies, salt and add more curd. Make a smooth paste and our green chutney is ready. Believe me, it tastes great with the green chutney. I am eating now. If you want to join me, then come with your plate. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.